Love is the most important thing. God teaches us that love is the greatest gift in life, the love He has for us, and the love we share with one another. He reminds us that love is greater than faith and hope. Love is what brings true joy and gives meaning to our lives. Through Jesus Christ, we learn what true love really is. God calls us to love others as we love ourselves, to care, to forgive, to be kind and compassionate. Because love is not meant to be lived alone, it grows when we share it. We are called to stay united, to lift one another up, and to walk together in love. As the Lord teaches, love one another, as I have loved you. So today, choose love in your words, in your actions, in your heart. Because love is the way to a full and meaningful life. Amen.